Hey, Molly. I'd like to see if I could get in contact with you so that you're representing a group of women who is launching a suit against the state of Texas.
The testimony you will hear will demonstrate that the chilling of necessary medical care is real and ongoing.
Miscarriage was inevitable, and my doctor, she couldn't intervene.
Is it your contention the baby's heart stopped prior to the induction of labor?
I don't know when her heart stopped.
They didn't have to do that.
It was the most traumatic experience of my life. No, I can't tell you exactly what minute her heart stopped.
They're just trying to stop the testimony.
What we're asking for in this lawsuit is the bare minimum human decency requires.
I just kept telling myself and my baby that I'm so sorry.
At any time did Attorney General Paxton tell you that you couldn't receive an abortion?
You know, I never thought to ask him.